give us an idea or give us an overview of the electronics industry in India. The landscape, how is it different from its Western and Eastern counterparts?
Yeah, the electronics industry in India, you know that in 2014, after the Modi government came into the power, the Make in India concept is very much high, and they are boosting this concept towards Make in India and Made in India. Not only concentrated to Make in India, but it is also Made in India, where the technology is also being transferred to India. Slowly and gradually, things are changing. The electronics industry, you know that China is the major player in the electronics industry currently. From 2014 till today, period of COVID as well, 90% of the foreign companies, even Indian companies, has established their units, manufacturing units, even their R&D setups in India. And we are also very much concerned about getting the R&D technology transfers. We are very much into the TOT, the transfer of technology into the India, and setting up each and everything in India, from making a small chip to making a mobile phone or for a tablet or for any of the electronic devices. If you, I can say that many of the major players of electronics industry, just like in mobile segment, if I say Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, Foxconn, Apple had concentrated their three manufacturing units in India. Then into the electronics as well, the EV market is very much boosting currently, and people are coming to India. Three of the American companies also had integrated their manufacturing of electronics in India, in the Chennai location and in Noida location. So this is how the things are growing up. And whatever the year on year growth, if I say now that CAGR, if I can contribute about that. So CAGR has gone from in the electronics industry from 2014 till 2022. It's 33.7%,
Wow.
and it's a very good growth, I can say. Even many of the Chinese factories are coming to India because people are very much concentrated for getting the job done in India. And also, you know that the Indo-China war and the America and China Cold War is happening, and that
Mhm.
is the major reason of getting the American companies also shifting their manufacturing units, their industrial backgrounds to Indian premises. Also, the Indian premises are cheaper in the terms of
Mhm.
currency conversion, the manpower, the skill set. Because see, India has the skill set both for the hardware and the software. It is not only comprises of the only for the hardware. So that is the reason also people are coming and setting up their offices, R&Ds and manufacturing units in electronics industries. So this is how the Indian industry is changing. And in coming 2020 till 2024, now we are going to be the biggest manufacturer of electronics product in pan world, I can say that.